After we were down at the other house, and we're going to just head back to our house. We're going to drop off everybody and we'll be good. Yeah, so that's the plan. I got my sister's camera. It overheated. See, this is kind of scary because I gotta put it in my secure pocket.
Wait, do you know how to do it? Yeah. What? Yeah, I've always done.
We had some fun, shot off some bottle rockets. We put them in the pond and they just algae went everywhere. It was absolutely hilarious. We just sat down and watched some big chungus movie. Oh my gosh. Eli, be careful!
No, but I can do it.
But it was fun, yeah.
You're
We're all ready to head back. Careful!
I can't go down the hill like
Full gear.
Oh yeah, I'm riding without the seat.
We're going fast now, boys. What happened? What's going on? I didn't even know you could do that. That's smart. Yeah, it does. Actually, no, it doesn't. She's ahead of us. I didn't even know you could do that. Come on, dude. Noah. Noah, we gotta get home. Noah, we gotta get home.
Come on, Olivia. Or Eli.
Ewan, come on. We haven't gone all day.
We have to go.
Noah, you ready for the long ride home? Car. And the reason I'm probably, once I start getting better stuff for my computer and that stuff, to be able to upload videos, I'm probably going to start doing a lot more video game type stuff, electronics, because I'm more of an electronics person, but the reason I can't do this right now is because if you saw my Puppy Sisters video at Puppies Rock 708, that channel, please go subscribe to that channel. She's got about 2 or 3 subscribers right now because we just started. But the reason she's uploading videos of electronics and all that stuff, but hers isn't that good quality because she's using a GoPro. Congratulations, bro! Good job! Now you just gotta learn to pedal. But yeah, so hers isn't that good quality because she's uploading with a GoPro and it's like it's on the side, so like you can't really see much of the screen, but she's still uploading. Yeah. or 7 views now. It's pretty good, I guess. And, I did that too. But I'm not gonna do that because I want to wait until I get some better stuff like screen recorders and stuff so I have better quality. And maybe someday a face cam. I don't know. But it would be fun, yeah. But that's just the only reason why I'm starting off with a bike ride video. Yeah, we're gonna head that way. Yeah, but I'm really passionate about biking, swimming, piano, schooling. I'm going good in schooling. I've just got like a few minor problems that I have to deal with right now. It's not too bad. Okay. You know when I learned how to do that? I was doing that with my dad. I was riding with my dad and my sister, and I learned how to do it. It was really cool.
I could only, not pedal.
Dude, you're just leveling up on how you can ride your bike. I think it's really cool. Biking level 2 unlocked. Skill streaks.
You're like level 1.
One more level.
Come on, guys.
Come on, yeah, let's go. Hey guys! Camera's a low percentage. We gotta get home faster! So yeah, if my camera dies, I'm just gonna say thanks for watching. And subscribe. Maybe like the video. If you like my channel and would like to see more content like this, I mean, you can subscribe. Yeah, just thanks for watching. Because the camera's about to die. The girls. Oh my gosh, that takes so long and my camera's about to die. Take a look at what my recording it is. Yeah, I'm already kind of thinking about Oh my gosh, they take so long.
Does it still save the video?
Yeah, I think. I'm just gonna end the outro. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's been a pretty fun ride. I'm just gonna end the video here because my camera's about to die.
subscribe, like, comment down below.